Yep. You know what's going on. Come on, man.
Hit a button, Morty. Give me a beat. Oh man. Okay. All right. Got trap jumping like fraud. 2, 2, 3, leaving ball head. Yeah, spray the whole block, leave it all red. Duck off spot, can't go fed.
Mad Mark's cars back with another one. Oh man, got paint on me. Y'all see what's going on, man. Box getting sprayed, man. Well, getting what's called putting down first, then we come back and hit it. But y'all see what's going on, man. Told y'all, man, stay tuned in, man. Like and subscribe, ring the bell. It's going all the way down. Just miss lack of thunder with. You know what I'm saying? I just found out the lack of thunder thins the paint. I didn't know that. Just found that out. So learn something new every day, y'all. This what we spray that thing with, man. Y'all gotta stay tuned in, man. Don't forget, like and subscribe, ring the bell. Told y'all, man, keep y'all posted on everything that's going on with the Box and all the other cars, man. So, yes, sir. And like I said, you know, got a console to start with. Man, shit going crazy, y'all. Y'all got to stay tuned in, bro. Y'all got to stay tuned in, man. Like I said, look, I got paint on me. I got paint on me. Yeah, man, Polo. I know I do it. But, man, everything I said, bro, everything coming along, bro. It's crazy how everything just going. Like, it's crazy, bro. Like, man, if you can run this, man, this thing is smooth as a baby's bottom, bro. I always say it because it's true. Y'all know I had a leak in here. And I was leaking from under the driver dash. It was coming from my back behind the heater core going down. No, we sealed all that up now though. No, that's a Pontiac rally coming. I got Chevy rallies, sir. This is what we use. You know what I'm saying? Y'all gotta stay tuned in, bro. Mad Mark's cars, like I said, man. Oh yeah, don't forget, man. Y'all gotta go in and get that merch. Gotta get that merch, man. Link in the description below. Go get that merch, man. We got high quality shirts, nice hoodies and all, man. My logos, stickers, coffee mugs, everything, man. I just gotta hit that link in the description, man. Everything on there. So you can give people some coffee mugs. You know, you can give a lot of stuff away for Christmas. You know what I'm saying? You can give it. You can buy some stuff and wrap it up and give it to some people for Christmas gifts. You know what I'm saying? So y'all stay tuned in, man. I said we not playing all gas, no brakes, not stopping. You know, we got new bezels. You know, I got new bezels for that. For the how he put the box in. Oh yeah, the bezel for that. Y'all know we ain't playing no game, bro. We ain't playing no game, bro. Y'all got that, but we not playing. Told them for we went through the whole thing. If you didn't know, you don't remember my shots. I done changed my shots and all that. My shots, we got to tie back on them, but the shots didn't change. Still got to hit up under there. You know what I'm saying? But man, all along coming around though, bro. Coming around, bro. I catch on. I ain't never know you pull like a thinner in the paint. The thin in the paint. You know that. Learn something new every day, man. Nah, I mean, all I said, man, they gotta learn how to do all this stuff, man. I like to be it, man. I'm stuck, man. I ain't gonna let black boy. When I get stuck, man, I ain't gonna let you holler at it. But nah, I be like to try this shit myself first, though. Like, that damn Ford he bought. He done put it back to trying to sell it now for $400-500. All he paid was $600 for it. I'm like, see, you should keep that little Ford Fairmont.
Oh, that? Oh,
yeah. He had to end up buying it.
Oh, he bought it from the nigga?
Yeah. He ain't lost interest. He just bought it. He really think about buying Camino.
All that shit I told him. That's how he lost interest.
Yeah.
He's so crazy. And he told me I'm somebody else shit.
Oh, like that's why you told him. He said, man, I'm about to tell him. And he like this.
Listen, you talking about this shit free income?
Yeah. I like, shit, we might have well going to try to do some work on it. You know what I'm saying? Start learning how to do stuff on that car. Buy the work, paint all that. Might as well. I still got potential though. But he getting rid of it. In fact, he been wanting the Camino. Money car over front end. And he done found a white one. Ooh. Thing coming around though, man. So get all these bitches done, keep stacking the cars, keep getting more on. So when I go new school, I'm going crazy. For real. I gotta get in the time for the rally too, man. Yeah, that thing crazy. Nah, you know I got the yeah, the one that pop out a little bit. Yeah. How much that what's called it cost? The insulation mat, like dynamite type shit. Yeah. Yeah. You think I need to go on? Why? You know, so why this shit out? Yeah, but we're going. But in the I got to use dynamite in the other kind. The dynamite like the best. I know that stuff that pay out, bro. Oh yeah, talking about the black color right there. It keep the sound in that when you see it and the window sweep. Yeah. Yeah, man. I know I got new headlights too. If you didn't know, man, you know, fool. LED guy. You ever remember that shit was leaking? You know, get there. You said you did. Oh yeah. Yes, sir. Oh, Box. I don't give a fuck about what you say. Without my bitch, I'm losing, yeah. All these bitches groupies, yeah. Trying to make a move.